Abide by the law, but just know it could cost you your freedom. That's what immigration attorneys are telling their clients who are showing up in immigration court in Shelby County. WREG has told you about the ICE agents who have shown up at the court arresting people on the spot once their cases are settled.
WREG investigator April Thompson sat in on the court proceedings and has more on why attorneys are worried.
You wouldn't know court was taking place at 80 Monroe Avenue, but most mornings and afternoons, immigration court is in full force on the 5th and 8th floor of this downtown Memphis building. Attorney Andrew Rankin has been representing clients here for years, but says recently he has witnessed something never seen before.
There's not even a comparable, April. This is unprecedented.
These pictures show what happens to people who are trying to do the right thing by showing up to their immigration hearing. 8 people detained and hauled off in handcuffs May 22nd.
Taking away a single mother who doesn't even have a traffic ticket. There is no comparable in my professional career. I don't even know what I would compare this to if I tried.
Our cameras aren't even allowed inside this building, let alone inside immigration court. But after a lot of wrangling, I was able to get inside without a camera, no recordings, just to witness court in action. We sat in on Judge Russo's afternoon docket. The courtroom is small and the defendants brought in one at a time. Most don't speak English and have to use an interpreter. Many of their attorneys aren't in the courtroom and appear virtually. We didn't see anyone detained the hour or so we were in the courtroom, but attorneys say there is a reason.
Most, in fact, almost all of the arrests are going to take place in the morning so that they can process them in Memphis around the lunchtime hour, maybe early afternoon, and then the transport comes to get them down to Louisiana.
He says judges are dismissing cases and telling defendants they are free to go.
They exit the immediate courtroom and then they're taken into custody either just outside the door or in the hallway leading to the exit.
He says they are then hauled off to this ICE office near the airport. Because there are no bed facilities in Memphis, the detainees have to be taken hours away to Louisiana, the closest detention center, where they restart the deportation proceedings.
Restart your case under a different proceeding that allows us to get you out quicker and that provides fewer rights for you to challenge what's going on.
We're told it happens quickly and families can be left torn apart. This downtown worker witnessed it.
And like a mom was crying as she was getting put in, and then her kid, and I assume her husband, was shooed away.
They know if you don't show up to court, you're going to get ordered deported. They don't need an attorney to tell you that. They know that. But they also don't want to go to court and voluntarily cause their own arrest.
Attorneys say they are left in a quagmire as they advise their clients they legally have to show up for their court date, but also alert them of the risk.
You also have to advise them of the landscape, right? The entire landscape. I think that at the end of the day, an attorney's job is to help their client make informed decisions. It's not to make decisions for the client. I am ethical. I advise people of what the law is. You know, that's my job. The law is that if you're ordered to show up for a hearing, you're ordered to show up for a hearing. But on the other hand, it would be disingenuous to look someone in the eyes and tell them that they're going to go home and see their kids tonight.
Meanwhile, the Department of Homeland Security says this is a part of the new Trump administration implementing the rule of law. Illegal immigrants who have entered the U.S. in the last 2 years are subject to expedited removals. ICE is now following the law and placing them in that expedited removal process, leaving many families fearing the worst. Investigating for your news leader, April Thompson, WREG News Channel 3.
Attorneys tell us ICE agents first started showing up at courts on the West Coast, saying this was a national rollout that has now made it to Memphis.